Want to improve your English without spending a dime? Here are the 3 best free English learning apps for Android in 2026. Whether you're a beginner or looking to speak more confidently, these apps make learning easy, fun, and perfect for your daily routine. Number 3, we have Cake. Learn English and Korean with an impressive 4.6 star rating, over 1 million reviews, and more than 100 million downloads. Instead of long lessons and confusing grammar books, Cake teaches you through short, real-world videos. You'll hear how people actually speak in everyday conversations, making it easier to understand natural English and Korean. If you're into K-pop or K-dramas, you'll also learn from popular entertainment content, helping you pick up useful words and expressions in a fun, engaging way. One standout feature is the AI pronunciation coach. Just record your voice, and the app gives instant feedback to help improve your speaking and pronunciation. Don't have much time? No problem. Just 10 minutes a day is enough to build a consistent learning habit. Plus, daily quizzes and smart review tools help you remember what you've learned without feeling overwhelmed. It's beginner-friendly, completely free to get started, and designed to make language learning simple, practical, and enjoyable. Coming in at number 2 is Memrise, and it's easy to see why millions of people use it every day. With a 4.3 star rating, over 1 million reviews, and more than 50 million downloads, it's one of the most trusted language learning apps out there. Here's what really makes it stand out. Instead of teaching you with robotic voices, Memrise lets you learn from real native speakers. That means you're hearing authentic pronunciation and everyday conversations from the very beginning. Need to learn Spanish before vacation, preparing for a job interview in another language, or just want to watch your favorite shows without subtitles? Memrise is built for real-life goals, not just memorizing vocabulary. You also get AI-powered speaking practice that helps you build confidence by having conversations whenever you want. No pressure, no classroom, just learn at your own pace. And with 140 plus languages available, chances are the language you want is already there. So if your goal is to actually speak like a local instead of just recognizing words, Memrise is definitely worth trying. Number 1, we have Duolingo, Languages and Chess. With an impressive 4.5 star rating, over 44 million reviews, and more than 500 million downloads, this app has become one of the most popular learning platforms in the world. Duolingo makes learning feel less like studying and more like playing a game. Its short, interactive lessons help you improve speaking, reading, listening, and writing skills without feeling overwhelmed. You can learn popular languages like Spanish, French, German, Japanese, and English through fun challenges, daily goals, and simple exercises designed to keep you consistent. But Duolingo is not stopping at languages. The app now includes chess lessons, where beginners can learn moves, solve puzzles, and improve their strategy step by step. You can also explore math and music courses to build new skills and keep your mind active. The reason millions of people love Duolingo is its smart learning system. It tracks your progress, rewards your daily practice, and keeps you motivated with streaks and achievements. Whether you want to prepare for travel, improve your career skills, or simply learn something new every day, Duolingo makes the process simple, fun, and addictive. So these are the 3 best free English learning apps for Android in 2026. Pick your favorite, start learning today, and take your English skills to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe for more.